Most leather factories still process inspection, nesting, and cutting in separate steps. This leads to low efficiency, higher labor costs, and unnecessary material waste. Now, IBON IB1660 changes the entire workflow. It integrates leather inspection, AI intelligent nesting, and precision cutting into one smart system. The AI detects leather defects in real time and instantly generates the optimal nesting layout. It supports defect avoidance, color and pair matching, leather grading, common line cutting, and mixed pattern nesting. The machine is equipped with advanced hardware, including a dual projection positioning system for accurate visual alignment, integrated cutting, marking and punching tools, Mitsubishi servo motors for stable high-speed operation, and a dual-head, dual crossbeam structure for higher productivity. The workflow is divided into 3 zones: loading and defect marking, AI scanning and cutting, and finished part unloading. An automatic feeding system enables continuous production without interruption. While one sheet is being processed, the next is already prepared, achieving continuous production with minimal idle time. IBON IB1660 is not just a cutting machine. It is a smart leather production system for footwear, handbags, gloves, and genuine leather manufacturing. Contact IBON for a live demonstration.